Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you a super easy way to make anyone kiss another person with AI. And the best part is, you can do it directly on your mobile phone. Without further ado, let's get started. The app we are using is AI Marvels, available on both Android and iOS. Open the app, tap AI Video, and select the AI Kiss template. Tap Use this template. Here, you can simply upload your photos. I'll use these 2 photos as an example. Place them in the right position, then tap Generate. After a short wait, we can easily create this amazing AI kissing video with just 2 photos. You can also extend the video duration or save it directly to your device. It's super simple and convenient. Besides AI Kiss, there are many other AI video templates, such as AI Hug, AI Dance, AI Transformation, and more. You can discover the latest viral and trending AI video effects directly in the app. Feel free to explore more through the official link below. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI content and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.